there, I'm Chris Palmer. This is a Chris Palmer SEO short. In this video, I'd like to discuss a very powerful tiered link building strategy that you can start implementing today. What I like to do is I like to go ahead and use my favorite tool, SEMrush. When I go into SEMrush, what I can do is I can sort all of my do follow links by the lowest quality links first, but they're do follow. The next step is go ahead and export this list. Then, utilizing either $PBNs, niche edits, or automating link building tools, the objective is to go ahead and take my authority scores 0s through 10s and bring them up to authority scores 10s to 20s. By taking all of my lower quality links and increasing the power of them, it will drastically improve my overall rankings for all of my keywords across my entire website. So go ahead, download your backlink profiles, and good luck tiered link building.